If I'm wanting to make bread in a hurry, this is my go-to recipe. And this one's a little different because I'm going to be adding some good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil to it. Gives it a wonderful flavour and texture. So to start with, 200 grams of self-raising flour. You can pop this into a bowl if you like, but I like to just place it straight onto a clean surface, and a pinch of salt. And just mix that together and form a well in the centre. Now into the centre of this, I'm going to add some yogurt. So 200 grams of flour to around 200 grams of the yogurt, just Greek style yogurt. And this is where I add a teaspoon of the extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to be using a robust extra virgin olive oil. I like this one in particular because it has peppery notes to it and it's slightly grassy, so we will taste it in our delicious homemade bread. So roughly measure that out and look at that gorgeous golden colour. I'm just going to incorporate that together and then slowly mix in the yogurt and the flour until it forms a dough. So when it gets a little too hard to incorporate with a fork, remove that and get your hands in there and press it all together and just knead it slightly until it really just comes together. Now that we've formed a ball of dough, we're going to cut that into quarters, just 4 even portions, and then just with a rolling pin and working with one portion at a time, just press it out. And you can add flavourings to this. So I love the combination of extra virgin olive oil and some Dukkah. And we're just going to sprinkle that over the top with a little extra of our extra virgin olive oil. And then carefully almost laminate that oil and Dukkah into the bread. Now the more rustic this is, the better it is. So don't worry about making perfect ovals. I love the rustic look when it comes to homemade flatbread. Now I have a hot pan ready to go and we're just going to cook it for a few minutes on each side. Okay, the last flatbreads are coming out of the pan, piping hot. And I like to serve this bread with some balsamic vinegar, and just because I've got this gorgeous extra virgin olive oil, some more straight into this little bowl for dipping. How easy is it to make flatbread at home? Give it a go.